Hi friends, welcome back and today we are going to discussing about our new topic that is a string function in our MySql which is built-in functions. Okay. First built-in functions I'm going to covering this as like a string function, number function, date function and aggregation function. Okay. These are the function we have in the things. Okay. Now in this particular video I'm going to covering for string function. I'm going to cover some kind of like some of the names I'm going to covering. Okay. In case if you have any doubt you can ask in a comment in my video. Okay. For this I'm going to opening this one. Okay. First there is a concatenate function. Concat function. Okay. Concat function. This concat function is basically two or more strings. It will be grouped together and it will give that result. Okay. How it will be provided. Okay. For this, if you see right now, I'm going to use for select concat concat. Okay. And here I'm going to use for a word called hello. Okay. I'm going to give the comma again. We can use single quotations. Okay, and here again single and a space single and comma and single quotation world. Okay, now this I'm going to merge concat, both the things need to be a merge. Okay, then I need to display. Here first we can use for database and then I'm going to use for concatenate. Okay, see now it will merge into a single. Okay, the similar format of if you use for select a store from student one. Okay, and here name it is there in case if you have another name. Okay, another name. Okay, last name and all you can use for here. There is a I'll explain you the scenario how it will be goes. Okay, and here use for concat and first name and second name from student, like that you can use and it will work for you as well. Okay, and also we have concat option is like WS. WS also one kind of separation of the string. Okay. It is a one kind of separator. Like separator is nothing but like what you can say. Now I want to display a year, month, and date format. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, you can make it like now 01 underscore and 01 underscore 2025 like this I want to display. Okay, but I want to give this all the names different strings. Okay, I want to merge with underscore that we can able to use. There is a one more function called select concat ws. Okay, this is the function, it will help you that format. Okay, I'm going to use for hyphen. Okay, and then I'm going to use for 2025. Okay, then I'm going to use for month called 01. Then again I'm going to use for 01. Okay, this is my code. Okay, now you can see for the date format how it looks. See, 2025 hyphen 01 and hyphen 01 like this, it is the exact matching year it is provided. Okay, like this we can able to use anything. If you want to concatenate the string with the separation one, then we can able to use this one, or else like normal concat is basically it will concat both the strings and it will merge and it will give you the thing. But if you use concat underscore ws, it will give you for attachment of the values. Okay, 1 minute, sorry. And now we saw the concatenated and there is one more function called length function. Okay, length function, how much length it is there. There are two uh, length functions we have in our SQL. Okay, select length. Okay, anything you can provide, it will provide you for the length of that particular value. Okay, and I'm going to provide the hello. Okay, and I'm going to hit for this particular one, how much length it is there. 6. Okay, 6 length is there. Okay, there is one more length function. Okay, that is basically a char length. Okay, char length or character length. Okay, but 3 it will be there, full character underscore length, and only for char underscore length and char. Okay, but you need to find the length exact one. We need to use the in these two particular ones. Okay, and I'm going to use this particular one. Okay, and here now I'm going to run this one. Now see, both the things are provided for the length of the specific one. Okay, and another one is like case wise. Case wise is nothing but uppercase or lowercase. This kind of things it will help you. Okay, uppercase means all the letters will be in uppercase. Okay, it will change into uppercase. Okay, now after select, see all are upper. Okay, now again I'm going to use for here lower. Okay, now I'm running again. Here all are lowercase. Okay, now another function is substring function. Substring function, it will help you to get the values from a string. With the starting position, ending position, we can able to provide. Based upon that, it will pick the value and it will give the result. Okay, where to where you need to define, then it will gives you that all the values. Okay, how it will be a start. Okay, now I'm going to use for substring function. Okay, select substring. Okay, you can use for str or substring, both will be a same. Okay, now here I'm going to use for hello world. Okay, and we need to declare some values. Okay, 7 to 5, 7 to 5. Okay, now you can see how many values it will be defined. World. Okay, WORLD. Okay, it is define that particular position of the values. Okay, and even in this particular substring you can able to define for left or right which position it will be need. Okay, how you can able to define that left and right. Okay, now you can see here. Now I'm going to use for a right function and it is not required here. Now I'm going to use for 5. From the right side, 5 characters I want to display. Okay, how it will be displayed. Now running again. See, world it is displayed 5 characters. Okay, now the same function if you use for left. Okay, now I'm going to use for left function. Okay, you can see left function from the left side to hello it will be a display. Okay, like this we can able to use for substring. Okay, and also we can able to search inside the string whether we are expected value will be presented inside there or not, inside it is there or not. Okay, how you can able to use that particular function. Okay, for this is we can able to a search functionality also we can able to say. select locator, locate. Okay, and I'm going to use for world, comma, and I'm going to specifying for hello world. Okay, this should be a present. Okay, whether it will be a present or not. If it is present, it will display the value. See, all the values it is displayed. Okay, the world is located and where it is presented in the seventh one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, 7th onwards, that particular locator will be presented. Okay, it is located in the specific location. Then it will be displayed. Okay, is there any alternative for this particular locator? Yes, we have for in str, in str, in str. This function also a similar format. It will find the text at the position of that particular string also. Oh shit. Little bit different we need to write. Okay. Now again I'm running now. See 7 it is displayed. Just for reversing. Okay. Like this we can able to search some position where it is presented. Okay. There is another string functionality that is a replacement. If you want to replace any string, we can able to use this replace functionality. How we can able to use? Select replace. Okay, and we need to provide some values. Okay, here hello world. Okay, this is my value and I want to do like a that world location. I need to use for MySql. Okay, MySql. Now in the world location, it will be a replace into MySql. Okay, see, hello MySql. Like this, it will be a replaced. Okay, first one is we are going to provide the complete word and which word we are need to are replace. That is the one and which value we need to replace. That is the one we are going to use for replacement. Okay, and we have another function that is called trimming and padding. Okay, trimming is basically to trim the space. Okay, if you provide any kind of spaces, automatically it will remove the spaces. Okay, now select, even you can use for any place. Select trim. Okay, and for this trim I'm going to use for space like this. Hello again on the space. Okay, in the front and back I specified some uh, values. Okay, now I'm going to use for here execution. See, without any spaces it is provided for hello. Okay, like this we can able to do that. And if you want to left side space you want to remove, or right side space you want to remove, like that also you can able to specify. Okay, same namespace I'm going to using here. I want to remove LT or MI. It will be a left side value or left side space we are going to trim. See here there is a space will be, I'll show you first, right? Okay, right means you can able to see the left side space, right? Then we can able to show for right. See, there is a space. Okay, previous what is happened? It is in a edge it is there. Now it is the space here also there. Okay. Now same thing left. If you use the left, You can see these three I'm going to execute one time. This is not shown for all the things. Okay. If you use only one, it is automatically. See, now here there is a space is there, but it is not displaying properly. Okay. Like this we can able to use. Okay. There is a pads is there, LP pad. This pad is string from the left to specific length with a specified string. How much specify the string, that particular string, how what are the things you want to do, that entire things it will do. Attaching type you can able to say like uh, which side you want to attach, what you want to attach. Okay, that moment you can able to attach it. How it is? Uh, Lpad. Okay, left side I'm going to attaching. Okay, I'm going to use for hello. Okay, for the hello I'm going to use for number 5 times. Okay, and here I'm going to use for a dollar symbol I want to display. Okay, the left side. If you execute this one, you can see why it is not showing. Yeah, sorry. Here we need to use for 10, and then if you use the 10, it will give for 5 stars. Okay, if you use for 10, it will give you for 5. Okay, even you can use for right padding. Okay, right padding also, it will right side, it will pad the 10 strings. Okay, and also we have for another thing like comparing two strings. Comparing two strings we can able to do. How to compare the strings? Select str compare. Okay, here first I'm going to use for ABC. Okay, and second I'm going to use for EFG. Okay, if it is success, gives for 0. If it is not, -1. Okay, if I use for ABC, if I use for ABC, it will 0. If it is not match, it will give you for 1. And even you can able to use greater than, less than, and everything you can able to provide. Okay, all the things it will work as expected. Okay, and if you want to reverse some string, that also we can able to do. Reverse a string. Okay, select reverse hello. Okay, now if you do, see, it is reversed a string. Okay, like this we can able to do. Okay, we have so many uh, things we have. Okay, you can search in the Google also, it will provide you. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.